So this is one of the ways you can navigate Google Earth in your Chrome browser. First of all, to get there, you go to earth.google.com/web. That will bring you to Google Earth. There's a couple of different ways we can look at some things here. One of the ways we're going to be exploring some stuff is through what we call voyages or the voyage. So it kind of defaults to have some in here, but you can also search for certain things. Right now, we're going to look at a specific one here, which is uh, called National Treasures Grasslands. It's through BBC Earth, and it basically will allow you to take a tour through different places on Earth. So we can get rid of our search bar, just minimize that, and we see we have all these points all over the globe that have this stuff here. So we can scroll through, see what we want to see with these buttons down over here. You'll notice as you go to them, it will zoom in and kind of fly you to that location. So we're zoomed in right now. If you want to get a little bit closer to things, you can always drag the Google Street View guy over here. Right now, we can't really drag him to any spots because there's nothing there. But if we zoom out a little bit, we'll just see if there's anything in the surrounding area. So we selected him, and these little blue dots are places where people have taken pictures and uploaded them. So if you take your little guy and you drag him to one of those blue dots, it should zoom us right into that area, and we can see what it actually looks like on the ground there. So it looks like this person was, in some sort of safari vehicle taking a panoramic picture. We have some elephants here, and you can kind of just scroll around and look at all of those things. But that's kind of how that system works. To return, you can always do this. You hit the table of contents thing. You can go to the stuff here. You can just click on the globe, zoom you back out. But that's some of the features that you can use when navigating Google Earth. The only other thing you can really do, or you really would need to do, is just kind of click and drag, or if you're on your Chromebook, swipe your finger to move around the globe, and then you can zoom in, zoom out by touching the screen, using the controls, using a mouse, however you want to do it, and then just clicking any of these locations that are pre-pinned. And if you hit this little button here, it'll actually fly you right to the location that's pulled up there. So that's one of the ways you can use Google Earth.